All right, it's December 1st, and one trade today, and my P&L doesn't show up just because I'm recording this a little later. So yeah, one trade today, and it was a red trade. So not a very good trade, to be honest. Like, looking back on it, I would not take it at all. So I mean, let's get into it. So I'm gonna show this on TradingView. So I mean, this is SPY, but I mean, I'm trading MES and NQ. And so I mean, we opened the 15-minute range, like not too big, but I mean it's like a good range. And we didn't stay into it very long. I mean, we pushed out of it right here, but then quickly came back into it and then tried to push above again. And this morning there was a news about 8 o'clock, so that's what this big red candle is, like with the wick. And then we started moving up. I think it was I'm pretty sure it was Powell speaking at 8 o'clock, so that's probably what pushed it up. And so while this was pushing up, you see, while it was pushing up, this was like 8 o'clock. So while it was going up, NQ broke out of its 15-minute range. So opened here, kind of just chopping right here at the 15-minute or the top of the 15-minute range, while ES was going up. That's what this candles are. And so we broke out of it, kind of made nice little decent move up to come back down and retest it. And I mean, you see, there's this big wick right here. This right here. I didn't think we were gonna have a nice retest, but I mean, the candle closed perfectly at the 15-minute range, so I got in on the next candle just because the retest looked good on NQ. But in all reality, see, this is like 805 on NinjaTrader, and then on MES, 805 was still up here. So I mean, the retest on NQ was right as SPY was like right here at the top. So I mean, I wouldn't take this trade again just because we were still. It's like buying right up here, which I mean is not a good idea because it's like already extended. You don't want to buy on just like extensions like this. You want to buy on like pullbacks. I mean, this is why I like to buy on EMA and stuff like that. So I mean, it's not a really good trade because I'm like I'm buying in while SPY and MES was up here. So I mean, I thought about that and I just wanted to take it anyway just because the retest looked good. So I got stopped out pretty quickly. And then I actually also, so that was the trade I took, and I think I had like two missed trades today. One of them was really early in the morning, so I guess I can show this on MES. So we opened up here, and then this blue line is the pre-market low. So opened up 7:30 for me, came down to come test the pre-market low. It was was holding here, like it came down a little bit, but then kind of closed right here, and was just kind of holding, just staying right here. And so I thought about taking it, but it was real early. It was like literally within 5 minutes of open, so I was kind of hesitant on taking this just because it was so close to open, and that it looked like there was a lot of selling, but I mean, buyers pulled through on this one, and I mean, I hesitated on the trade. I mean, I could have gotten a nice move on this one. Like, I think I could have gotten a nice like 1 to 3 risk reward on this one. So I say that's definitely a missed trade. Looking back, I really like to take this, but I mean, this is one thing I'm gonna test over the weekend. I'm gonna go back and look at trades like these, like the pre-market high and low, over the weekend. I'm gonna look at that. So, because I've been seeing that a lot more, especially this week. So next trade that I missed was a little later. It was kind of right before this big push up. I think it was like about right here. I mean, yeah, we're kind of just like chopping in between this range, or like chopping right at the top of the 15-minute range. So maybe this isn't something that you want to take just because we're still in the range of chop. Just like we're still in this range of chop. Like I could have gotten it right here just because this is 906 NQ, which was NQ and QQQ were bouncing off VWAP. So 906 right here, bouncing off VWAP as well. I mean, NQ and QQQ are really very closely linked. So 906 was right here. So they're both bouncing off VWAP. So I mean, and we were kind of retesting 15-minute range, but we're still in this consolidation. So I mean, hard to tell if I would have taken it looking back. I wasn't even at my computer at this time, just because after missing this, taking a bad trade, I wasn't in the right state of mind. So I thought I noticed that quick, and I wasn't really interested in trading the market for the rest of the day. So this move, but it's whatever. There's gonna be more days. So next week I'm probably gonna trade Sim again, just because I want to test some more things out. So I mean, I have no rush to get back into my eval, because it did reset. I'm at 10K right now. So drawdowns, I think $500, I think, and just the profit target is 1,000. It's same account, so it just reset. So lots to look over this weekend. Got a lot of homework, so I mean, yeah. After a couple days of not trading, I'll be ready to get back into it on Monday.